Hey guys, Eddie Mead here from Cardiff International Whitewater. Today we're going to go back to our knots and we're going to have a little look at the Alpine Butterfly. So the Alpine Butterfly is really nice. It's really good for adding a loop into a midsection of rope. So what's really good about it is, if you can see, I pulled this rope tight. It doesn't distort the angle of the rope or the direction of pull. So we can add the loop in here without kind of putting any kinks in the rope. It's really good for building anchors. It's really good for building into mechanical advantage system. So there's a couple of ways to tie it. I'm going to show you both. Most people pick a favorite and stick to that, but if you can learn both, then that's ideal. Okay, so the first way to tie it is we can wrap the rope around our hands 3 times. Then we're going to grab the rope nearest our thumb. We're going to cross that over the top of both of them. Now we're going to grab the new one closest to our thumb. I'm going to put that over the top as well. And then we're going to tuck that back through the hole where our fingers are. And then pull that loop through. And then dress the knot. And we got our Alpine Butterfly. Second way is we're going to get our bite here. We're going to put 2 twists. 1, 2. We're going to drop that bite down underneath the whole knot. And then we're going to find this midsection here underneath, and we're going to poke that back through that middle of the twist. Again, dress. We got our Alpine Butterfly.